welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And as you can see, this is Kylie Jenner's post on her IG for her cute nail art, and I am gonna recreate that nail art today on one hand only because I am not a lefty. But anyways, as you can see, I am applying a base coat to smooth out any ridges on my nails. And I'm going to continue with this natural sheer polish to all my nails, you know, because that's the color that I tried to copy from her post. That's what it looks like. She's wearing a nice sheer natural base. And I'm going to continue with this pink color for the pink hue for the dots. This nail art is very like cute but very simple, and yeah, so that's why I wanted to recreate it. So here we go with the next color on the ring finger, which is the orange outline on her ring finger, which is really like simple, yet it looks really cute. Kind of like a French manicure, but on your whole nail, I guess you can say. Then we continue off with this nice yellow color by Color Club, and this will be the one we will use for the squiggles on the middle finger. I am using a nice detail brush, and yeah, I'm not sure how the whole nail looked because I can only see part of the nail, but it looked like squiggles, so I did squiggles and circles. I think it looks cute. So now for the next nail, which is the index finger, and this one is the easiest one to me because I'm going to put blobs, I guess call them cow print. Really simple, cute, and yeah, off to the next, which is this new, yeah, it's my new white polish, but yeah, this white polish by Essie. Going to be creating some eyeballs. They look funny right now because, you know, obviously yeah, but anyways, here we're using this black to complete the look on this last nail, which is applying just the little dots for the eyeballs. And no eyes are complete without eyeliner, so yeah, gotta put that eyeliner, girl. And finally, the top coat, I use matte. You can use shiny, but I just wanted to like go with the whole like look that she went for on her post. So yeah, this is all, folks. I hope you guys liked my video and my recreation. Hopefully you guys could share, comment, like, and subscribe. And please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.